Hello, Richard. Thank you for sharing your speech with us today. I really enjoyed listening to you and watching you. You have so much energy, and part of what we try to learn as public speakers and as online communicators is how to train that energy to work for us and not against us. Sometimes speakers like yourself, who are very animated and very emphatic about your ideas, involve parts of the body that maybe shouldn't be involved, like your hands. Notice that if I move my hands toward the uh, screen, my hands get bigger than my head. And the rule there is whatever is closest to the camera lens gets magnified, gets bigger. So notice as you watch the evening news and things like that on television that the on-screen performers are very careful about their movement. And that's because movement is a language all its own. And usually it's not taught till intermediate public speaking or sometimes even advanced public speaking. I know we've heard the very famous motivational speakers, and they actually choreograph their moves. And when they move, it's purposeful, it's intentional, and it's designed to get a reaction from their audience. There are no meaningless gestures allowed when you're on a professional stage. And so you have such great style. We want to learn how to make it work to the maximum. So I hope these ideas will help you and that you won't feel like I'm criticizing because I'm certainly not. You have great energy, and that's wonderful. We want to keep all of that and make it work better for you.